So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my husband's gift for me for Valentine's Day. So sa lahat, happy Valentine's po sa inyong lahat. And mabuhay ang mga umiibig at ang mga iibig pa lang. Anyway, so mag-unbox tayo guys ng gift ni hubby sa akin. Ito ay, alam nyo na yan kung ano yung nasa title. Pero excited ako kasi ang tagal-tagal kong gustong magkaroon nitong regalo na to. I mean, gusto ko na siyang bilihin sana noon pa. Kaya lang siya yung nagsasabi na, oh, hindi mo naman kailangan yan. Telepono mo lang okay na, yung mga ganon. And then last year ko pa talaga to hinihingi. But then, hindi ko alam kung bakit ngayon naisipan niyang bilhan ako. Dahil dati naman hindi niya gusto. Alam mo yun. So, nagbago yung isip niya. So, binilhan niya ako ng gustong-gusto kong camera. So, ito yung camera na gustong-gusto kong bilhin dati pa. Pero, yun nga, sabi ko ayaw niya. And may lumabas na bagong version, na bagong model nito. Like for example, the upgraded model. Kaya lang hindi siya maganda. So I still stick to the yung original ko na gusto. So wala nang maraming satsat, and I'm very excited kasi kanina pa kami parehong excited actually. Gusto niya nang buksan ko at ako rin gusto ko nang buksan, pero alam mo na, busy pa. Nagpunta pa ako sa Costco, nag-shopping pa ako, nag-ulta pa ako and everything. Let's open the box. So, this one, I think he bought it at the website called BH Photo. So, I think he said he ordered this yesterday. So, it's gonna make it on Valentine's Day. He said he paid extra shipping just for it to arrive, you know, on time on Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day is tomorrow actually. Today is February the 13th. So, let's open the box because he's excited as well. But he's downstairs because he's watching golf. And he didn't want to be here in my vlog. So, let's open it. I have a small scissor. I really love this. Like, I've been wanting this ever since. And remove this. There. Oh. And this is how it looks like inside. I can't believe it, guys. Sobra. I don't know how to describe it, but I'm like happy and I'm really glad that I got it, like blessed and all. So parang feeling ko with this 2020, parang sobrang, we're like super blessed sa 2020. So this is the Canon G7X Mark 2. There you go. Oh my god, I so love this camera. Even though I haven't, you know, parang hindi ko pa na-experience tong camera na to. But then, I'm so excited because ang dami-dami gumagamit na vloggers na is very handy and all. Ang dami kong binabasang reviews dito. Ang dami kong, you know, I'm not very techy, but with a good quality. Yun ang gusto ko sa lahat, yung good quality. So, I think this is it. And I think he got a bundle. So, may mga kasamang, meron siyang replacement battery. So, binigyan niya ako ng replacement batteries na nakalagay dito. So, I have the disc and I have the replacement battery. It's the bubble wrap. This is the receipt. $645 including tax. And there's a pouch, a camera pouch. So, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put it back here. And let's see, this is the we're gonna put the pouch away. and then the batteries and the desk. But we're gonna open the camera. Wow. Open natin guys ang camera. I know that a lot of you have seen this camera already because it's, you know, like it's very popular. And I just want to share it with you guys na at last nakuha ko na yung gusto kong camera. I got it. You know, like I've been wanting it since last year. And I waited because ayaw niya eh. So I waited. And so, yeah. So what's inside was actually the manual. Ang kapal ng manual niya. Like there. And then, wait, on this side, there's like batteries and charger. It's the parang wristband. Oops, nahulog. So it's the wristband. There's the battery charger and battery itself. And then, wala nang laman yung box. And then, it's, nakalagay siya sa parang plastic like this. Ayan. And this is how the camera looks like. Wow, ang liit niya talaga guys. Super liit. Super gaan. And that's it. Ang ganda niya. Wow, ang liit niya. And, syempre, ilalagay natin yung battery. Nakita nyo naman siguro sa iba na magaganda yung kuha ng G7X Mark 2 talaga. And, siguro i-charge ko muna yung battery niya. Tapos, tignan natin kung ito ay may charge. Alam mo, ako yung tipo na hindi talaga nagbabasa ng manual. Kahit na yung bago pa yung kotse ko, hindi ko binabasa yung manual. Alam mo yun, yung nagre-rely ako sa katalinuhan ko lang, kunyari, smart, diba? So, ayun, nailagay ko na yung battery niya sa loob. And, meron siyang, so, tingnan natin. Of course, meron siyang flip screen. Ayan. And, kung nakaharap ka naman, meron siyang, pwede siyang ganyan. And, alam ko marami na kayong alam dyan. So, dito, nandito yung button niya, on and off. So, meron ditong parang settings sa likod. Ganun din, parang merong mga settings. And, I believe, yung isa dito is a shutter. So, i-turn on na natin. Ayan. So, pagka ganyan, isa-set up mo yung date and everything. So, hindi ako masyadong techie. So, hindi ko alam paano mag-set up ng ano. Pero, of course, I know how to set up the date. February 13, 2020. Nung nilagay ko guys yung battery niya, it says no memory card. Ay, sorry. Walang memory card. It says no memory card. Kamay ko yan, nakikita nyo guys. And wala siyang battery. So, namatay siya. So, i-charge mo na yung battery. Unboxing lang po ito kasi excited lang ako na naipakita sa inyo guys na one of my wishes ay natupad this 2020. Ito yung vlogging camera na Canon G7X Mark 2! Yay! Parang timangin, no? Yeah. So, kasi, although na nagpapabili ako sa kanya kasi last time ayaw talaga niya. So, kahit na gusto ko kung ayaw niya, parang wala akong magagawa kasi gusto ko siyang respetohin. Alam mo yun. Thank you, hubby, for this Valentine's gift. And I have also a Valentine's gift for him. Pero syempre, pipitsugin lang. And nga pala, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kanyang pouch. Hindi ko alam ba't ito ang napili niyang pouch, pero it says bra guard, pero ang kanyang ang kanyang imprint parang logo or monogram niya ay RG. So, parang Roxy Goods, di ba? Galing eh, no? Naisip nyo yun, na maakin nyo yun. Or guard pala, yun pala. Ayan. It's a very small, pouch. Very cute. Ayan. So, meron din siyang parang kung gusto mong gawing parang sling na ganun or pwede mo isabit sa shoulder mo. Ayan. And, meron siyang pouch where you can put your extra battery and extra SD card or even your charger. So, pag nilagay mo yung camera mo, like for example, ito na, huwag mo na ilagay dyan. Ayan guys, so ay kasyang-kasya lang siya. Kasyang-kasya lang yung camera. The only thing with this is that hindi kakasya yung baterya. Yung charger. Let's see. Let's see kung kasya yung charger niya. Hindi siya guys, kasya yung charger niya. Yun lang. Boo sa charger, hindi siya kasya. Ang kasya lang dito is the extra battery and of course, yung extra battery lang ang kasya and so ito yung extra battery. So pwede natin ilagay dito sa pocket outside. Right there. And of course, you can put the SD card in here, but we need the SD card right now. And mayroon na akong mga SD readers and all that, so I just need this SD card right here. Ayan. So, ito yung SD card. So, alam mo, maganda sana tong pouch kasi super liit lang niya. And yung pinaka-downside niya is, of course, hindi ko siya malalagay yung charger kasi hindi kasya yung dalawa. So, the charger and the camera won't fit together because the bag is tiny. So, may lalagay mo talaga charger lang. Camera lang. And this is how your camera looks like. And dito yung extra battery. And yung charger mo, wala kang paglalagyan. So, yun ang cons nito. Pero maganda siya. It's very nice. It's very handy. It doesn't look cheap. Yeah. So, yun lang guys. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah!